We're going to start with the head. It's going to be a square with rounded corners. Leave room over on the left hand side so we can do the rest of the body. Then we're going to do the big floppy ears. They're sort of like triangles, but I'm not finishing them off there. Then I'm going to do the nose, and it's down fairly low. It's not in the middle, it's just below middle. Then I'm going to do the droopy part of the mouth. So start here, I'm going to go down, up to the bottom of the nose, back down and up. Two little teeth. They're just kind of poking out. I'm going to do a curve just above the nose. And right on top of that curve, we're going to do circles for the eyes. Inside there, do two more circles at the top, and then color them in. Then you're going to do a wave right over the eyes, and then a smaller wave right above that. Start here on the side of the head, and you're going to do one leg, a little paw. Then you're going to do another leg on the other side. Then you just do a little curve that connects from one leg to the other, and then continue it a little bit behind the other one. And start right up here, and we're going to go over and back down and then kind of stop. So we're going to have room so we can add the back foot. And the leg is bent, so I'm going to do like a curve right there, so that's where the leg's bent. You can add little lines for the paws. Little tail. And I'm going to add a spot. That's it. You can color it in if you want to.